Welcome to Hanoi's Old Quarter, the soul of Vietnam's capital.
Here, 36 streets are named after ancient trades. Silk, silver, herbs, shoes. Each street tells a story.
Food is everywhere. Hot food for breakfast.
Have crispy banh mi for lunch and smoky bun cha for dinner.
Life here is simple, yet vibrant. Artists paint, scooters weave through alleys.
Coffee culture thrives on every corner.
At the heart lies Hoan Kiem Lake.
A legend of the returned sword lives on. At night, the Old Quarter never sleeps.
Cultures meet, stories shared, memories made. Thank you for walking Hanoi's Old Quarter with us. See you on the next journey.